Welcome everybody to the second edition of Cooking with Celebrity Masks. Today we are making no-fail banana bread, and it is so easy that nobody can mess this up. We're going to start with a loaf pan. You can use any baking dish that you want, but I like a loafy looking banana bread. You want to spray your loaf pan with some cooking oil, and now line your loaf pan with parchment paper. Now you want to take 5 bananas. You want them to be a little brown on the end because the browner they are, the sweeter the bananas are. Okay, we have 5 bananas in a bowl. Now you're going to take a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and add it to the bananas. Did I mention that this recipe only has 3 ingredients? Take a masher and mash your bananas. Okay, that's good. Add 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can just put 2.5 cups of flour in your mixture, and you can add 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now this part is optional, but you can add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to give it a little flavor, and you can add about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Again, that's optional. Now give this a quick mix, and you want to mix it just until everything is blended. Don't overmix it. See how it's a little lumpy? Well, it should be lumpy. Flatten the batter out on top, dispersed evenly, and there you go. There you have it, your banana cake batter. Now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes. It's been 50 minutes and our banana bread is done. That looks beautiful. Ouch. That looks beautiful. So now we are going to let this sit for 30 minutes and let this cool off a bit. Look what we did. I'm going to let this sit on the rack for a little while till it becomes completely cool, and then we will slice it. I can't wait to try this. It's been about an hour and a half. Now, yes, I washed my hands. And there is our banana cake. Look at that. That looks delicious. And it's very, very heavy. So let's take a taste of this. Oh my God, that is really good. That is delicious. Another thing I thought of is, if you want, you can also throw some walnuts in here and make a banana nut bread. Thank you for joining me tonight. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and have a great night. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.